345 days ago, another war started not in Ukraine, but in Israel, yes. And it's still going on. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the last puzzle in today's newspaper of Monday, September the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. We have one puzzle left, the binary puzzle, and mentioned before in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so only 3 puzzles, and this will be number 9285. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Double 1's, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Now I'm stuck. No, double O's, here 1, there 1. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1's, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well, we have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 1's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The difficult part. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, so that box will be a 1. Between the 1's comes an O. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, so that box should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, one, there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, one, there, one. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare. We need to compare here. 101. Not the same. 101. 101. These two columns will be difficult. How about here, the double ones? No, the double O's. How about the rows? 11 here. Not the same. Double O's. Well, got you this row and that row. Let me compare 00011 empty box 1 1 0011 0011. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1, between the ones comes in O. Okay. Now these three rows, double 1. 101, yeah. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct in 7 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.